Frequently asked question number 3. How much of sunlight does a succulent need? Now guys, depending upon the variety of succulents, some succulents can handle direct morning sunlight while some cannot handle direct sunlight. So you need to segregate your succulents accordingly. I have spoken about this earlier as well. Succulents that are green in color do not prefer direct sunlight, whereas your brightly colored succulents or succulents that have intense colors can handle morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours after acclimating it. Now if you are a person who does not tend to receive any direct sunlight, it's absolutely fine. You can still grow your succulents in indirect bright light, provided it's around 7 to 8 hours of indirect but really bright light. The succulents will do excellent. Probably the colors will not be very intense, but at least the succulents are not going to stretch. They will do quite well. If you are a person who only tends to receive afternoon direct sunlight, then ensure that you use a shade cloth or a green net in order to give filtered light. Now in filtered light, in afternoon filtered light, the succulents will still maintain the color. They will have that bright color because afternoon sunlight is really strong. So in short, at all given point of time, there has to be a good amount of bright light in order to grow your succulents. If you do not get that light, you can always opt for a good quality of grow light in order to grow your succulents. But at all point of time, there has to be a good amount of light in order to grow your succulents. So I hope that this video was helpful to you.